This is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2009 Holden Barina 5-door hatchback. This model runs from 12th month 05 up to 12th month 12. It has an F16D3 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine powered by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. F16D3 1.6 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front of the vehicle. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch tyres. Here's the left-hand front with good tread. Left-hand door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to be in good condition. Left-hand rear 15-inch wheel with good tyre. Right-hand tail light. Tailgate comes complete. Tidy bar cover. Right-hand tail light. Right-hand rear 15-inch mag with good tread. Right-hand door has a few dents in it, still appears to be in good condition. Right-hand door mirror, non-indicator type. Right-hand front 15-inch wheel with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Centre console, it's automatic. We have a factory single stack CD player. Left-hand sun visor, courtesy light, interior mirror, right-hand sun visor, black vinyl 4-spoke steering wheel with audio controls. Thanks for watching this video. Dean from Total Parts Plus.